Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about the trim end method. So what it does, it removes the white space from the end of the string. So if you know the trim method, it's removed from both sides, but it in the case of this, it only removes from the end. So let me show you. So first you need to create a string and throw bunch of space from before and after that, and yeah, I will use world, yeah, hello world. Now what we need to do is string dot trim end, and when I do that, I'm gonna show you there is no space after that. See, you can't select it here because there is no space. See, so this is what it does. Then this is similar to the trim method, just no space after that. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.